How much time do I have left? One more? One more? 2? 5? I'll do one. Huh? I'll do one. This last song's... Wait, last song's about a girl.
Can we dig the house lights just a little bit? I can still see my penis.
Oh, there, that shit.
Luckily I can.
I'm not gonna close my eyes when nothing is really right there next to me. And I won't, you know that I won't take anything else from you, baby. I'm not gonna close my eyes. Not gonna close my eyes. Not gonna close my eyes. Thanks so much for having me.